Restorative dentistry, repairing and rebuilding damaged teeth. If you've had the unfortunate experience of an injury, chipped or decayed tooth, you've experienced how frustrating and painful it could be. The good news is that restorative dentistry provides an option to restore and restore damaged teeth while restoring the function as well as aesthetics. In this clip, we'll explore the many treatment options for restorative dental treatment and the ways they can assist you to create a beautiful, healthy smile. What is restorative dentistry? The field of restorative dentistry comprises a part of dentistry which focuses on fixing and restoring functionality and appearance of the teeth that are damaged by injuries, decay, or other causes. The purpose of restorative dental care is to aid patients to maintain dental health and return normal function of their teeth and enhance the look of their smile. There are many alternatives to treatment in restorative dentistry. These range from fillings that are simple to advanced procedures such as dental implants. The type of treatment you select depends on the degree of damage as well as the particular needs of the patient. Common restorative treatments. 1. Fillings. They are the most frequently used restorative method for repairing tooth damage caused through decay. The damaged area of the tooth gets eliminated, and then the cavity is filled using a tooth-colored composite material. Fillings can help restore the shape and function of the tooth and blend into natural teeth. 2. Crowns. Crowns, sometimes called caps, are utilized for covering and protecting teeth that have been damaged. Crowns are custom designed to fit over the chipped tooth to restore its shape, dimensions, strength, and size. Crowns can be used to guard tooth decay, fix broken teeth, and cover massive fillings. 3. Bridges. Bridges serve to substitute missing teeth by connecting artificial teeth to natural teeth adjacent. Bridges aid in restoring the appearance and function of the mouth by making up the gaps created by teeth that are missing. 4. Dental implants. Dental implants are among the most modern restorative option for the replacement of missing teeth. Implants comprise a titanium screw, which can be surgically implanted inside the jawbone. There, it bonds with the bone, providing a sturdy basis for the implant. Implants look, feel, and function just like natural teeth. This makes them an extremely popular option for replacement teeth. 5. Treatment for root canal therapy. The root canal therapy is performed to restore a tooth that has been damaged through decay or infection. When undergoing a root canal procedure, the pulp that is infected is extracted from the tooth. Then, the tooth's interior is sealed and cleaned. A root canal treatment can assist in relieving pain and saving the natural tooth from removal. Benefits of restorative dentistry. The benefits of restorative dentistry are numerous for patients. These include improved oral health. Treatments for restorative issues help repair and repair damaged teeth, which can prevent decay from occurring as well as infection. A Eurocent restored function. Restoring function. The use of restorative procedures can increase the functioning of teeth. This allows the patients to chew their food, talk, and smile in a confident manner. Enhance the aesthetics of your smile. A Eurocent improve aesthetics, the appearance of your teeth, giving patients beautiful smile. Increase self-confidence through restorative dentistry is a great way to help patients feel more secure and at ease with their smile. This can improve the overall quality of their life. If you're suffering from tooth dental decay, chipped or damaged teeth, or teeth that are missing, dental restorative therapy could be the remedy you require to improve your dental health and appearance. Visit your dentist to examine your treatment options and design a custom treatment plan that is tailored to your requirements. Restorative dentistry can provide a wide range of options to restore and replace tooth damage, assisting patients attain a beautiful and gorgeous smile. From crowns, fillings, and fillings all the way to bridges and implant crowns, restorative dentistry addresses many dental concerns and bring back proper function to the teeth. If you're suffering from dental difficulties, don't be afraid to see the most qualified dentist in order to improve your confidence and health in your mouth.